comprehensive session, and especially I am very much delighted for coming here because I know this Reva cranes for last 40 years, and last 40 years I know this Reva crane. Today's program, I am very much delighted that I have come here, and I hope they will grow again and again, and so this is very good for all of us, for the industry. The Reva quality of the Reva crane, I will not say anything wrong, anything, very good. And whenever we call for the post-service requirement for any project, and they had sent, especially Mr. Goel, Senior Goel, he has sent the people. So we are very much satisfied and hope they will grow much faster than earlier. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. You are satisfied customer.
Yeah.
Can you say something, feedback, anything negative which we can improve? Because your expertise, your connection with Riva is so long.
No, there is nothing wrong.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
I cannot remember now.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Please. Thank you, sir.